Hi, what's up mga ka-amazing? Ayan, for almost, okay, more than 1 hour. Say it's 1 hour and 20 minutes travel from our hotel going here. Ayan, at sa wakas nakarating din kami guys. Ito yung tinatawag nilang vaudeville salt flats. Ayan, napakalawak guys. Ayan, kung meron tayong white sand sa New Mexico, doon malapit sa Alamogordo, meron din tayong amazing na salt flat here. Ayan. So, puntahan natin guys, no? Kasi sa nakikita natin sa social media na aapakan talaga siya. Natatakbuhan. Doon na sa social media na napanood ko na napatakbo nila yung sasakyan sa surface talaga. But now, parang bawal na siya. It's a private property. So, take your own risk. Ayan, no? Kung pupunta ka doon, bahala na. So, parang, dapat safety ka. So, yan guys, no? We're now here in the surface. As you can see, ayan, napakatigas nito guys. So, ayan. So, pwede pong makatungtong dito yung mga sasakyan. So, yan yung nakita ko sa social media. But now, since this is a private property, hindi na nila pinapayagan. I think there's a annual event na merong nangyayari dito talaga sa surface. Parang isang race gamit yung mga mamahaling sasakyan para dito sa ganitong klaseng surface. Tignan mo nga yan. Napaka-amazing. So again, so nabanggit ko kanina, no? So we also have this white sand in Alamogordo, New Mexico, USA. And iba din to, kakaiba. Ang galing. It's a salt yan. See? Asin talaga siya. Grabe. So, kanina doon sa Salt Lake City, makikita mo talaga along the highway na may mga factory ng mga asin. Ang dami. So ayan, no, nakaka-amaze lang dahil here in Utah, you can usually see some trails, desert, mountains, but there is also something like this here in Salt Lake City, Utah, USA. Ayan guys, no. So hopefully nakapagbigay ito ng magandang informasyon, especially for those who really love to travel. Ayan guys, no, so far nag-enjoy po kami dito sa experience namin sa Vaudeville Salt Flat. Once again, it is located here in Utah, the state of Utah. So everyone, for those who really loves to travel, please include this one to your bucket list. Once again, this is Vaudeville Salt Flat.